Struggling to choose between Visily and Creatine for your next design project? Let's break down the key differences and find the perfect fit for you in just 90 seconds. First, Visily, think of it as your AI-powered website building assistant. It's incredibly user-friendly, especially for beginners. With Visily, you can quickly generate website mockups and prototypes from simple text descriptions or hand-drawn sketches. The beauty of it is its speed. You can go from idea to prototype in a fraction of the time compared to traditional methods. Now, Creatine, this is a more robust design tool, offering greater control and flexibility. It's ideal for experienced designers who want pixel-perfect precision and advanced features. Creatine lets you create detailed UI designs, illustrations, and even animations. It does require a steeper learning curve, but the creative possibilities are virtually limitless. Let's talk use cases. Visily shines when you need rapid prototyping, user testing, or quickly validating design ideas. Its pre-designed templates and easy drag-and-drop interface make it perfect for startups, small businesses, or anyone who wants to launch a website quickly without extensive design knowledge. Creatine, on the other hand, is the go-to choice for complex UI/UX design, detailed branding, and creating visually stunning marketing materials. If you need granular control over every aspect of your design, Creatine provides the tools to make it happen. The key difference: Visily prioritizes speed and ease of use, while Creatine emphasizes design precision and creative control. Visily helps you get up and running quickly. Creatine empowers you to create the perfect design. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs, skill level, and project goals. Are you a beginner looking for a quick solution? Go with Visily. Are you an experienced designer needing ultimate control? Creatine is your best bet. So, explore both options and choose the tool that best aligns with your creative vision. Let us know in the comments which one you prefer and why. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design comparisons.